Hi everyone, today is my first unboxing from Yoseka Stationery, and I must say this is the most beautiful packaging I've ever received. Love this beautiful personal note that they handwrite. They add some really cute washi tape as well as these little stickers that I can add into my journal. So what I ordered from them is the Superior Labor pen roll. And this style is actually sold in two different styles. So this is the one specifically carried by Yoseka, and you can see the beauty of the leather, and it just smells amazing. It has this brass hardware, and even the button is labeled the Superior Labor. Okay, so now I'll show you what I put inside of it. You can see it has such a variety of sizes that you'll be able to do the wrap. Now mine is pretty thick right now because I do have a watercolor palette in it. This one is from Meeden. On the outside I did put my Traveler's Company. This one says, "Have a nice trip, Traveler's Notebook." I really like to use this clip in my sketchbooks because it doesn't leave a crease. So even here on the leather, it will a little bit. That's because the leather is so thin. But within a sketchbook, a normal, especially watercolor sketchbook, the papers there are so thick, it doesn't leave a mark at all. So this one I have on the outside, and it's just part of being able to mark up the leather as it goes and add more character to it. So that's where I'll store that clip. And then this is the inside. So this particular roll, Superior Labor makes two different styles. So I'll be showing the other one here soon, not on this video, but a following video. They have two different styles. So this particular style, the logo for Superior Labor is embossed. So this is, what do you call this, embossed or debossed? Yeah, this is embossed because it is going down. So there's, when you feel it, it's not raised, it's actually sunk in. And then the other difference is when you do open the flap, the other style they have, there is a stamp up here that also says Superior Labor made in Japan. So these are the items that I've decided to put in here so far. This will be growing. So as you can see, my pockets are not too overly stuffed. I did put all of my favorite travel brushes right here. So there are 3 brushes from Rosemary & Co. One is the Dagger Brush, one is a flat brush, one is a cat tongue brush. These 2 that don't have a number written on top, these are by Escoda. So this is the Escoda 6 and a Versatile, and this is an Escoda Perla 2. This here is just a nice way to get water out of my water bottle and drop it directly onto my watercolor palette. These I'm going to be changing out. I'm not sure exactly which one will be leaving, but one will be staying, another one will be going. I ordered the brand new limited edition, I forgot the number of it, from Blackwing, but it's the one with the coffee house theme. So it has the black eraser and kind of like the brass looking pencil. So I thought that would be a nice addition to this particular pouch. It would match the hardware and everything really nicely. This is a mono eraser, just one of those very little ones. I prefer my gum eraser, so I will be carrying an additional pouch in addition to this one because I have a large collapsible water bowl that I like to take. I have a kneaded eraser. I have a pencil sharpener. There's certain things that just, for me, fit better into a case than in a pen roll. So I did not put those items in here at this time. This is the brown, I forget what this type of nib is called, but it's by Micron. It's their PN nib, and it's one that I can go really thin, or if I press a little harder I can get dark. So that one is in sepia. I need to ink this up, but this is my new Sailor. It's a Fude pen, so that means the nib, if I can open it, there we go. So the nib has this interesting little tilt in the back. So the beautiful thing about this pen is how it can do a variety of different thick and thin lines. In here I also have a, which one was this? Pentel? Yeah, Pentel Prera. So this is a nice small pen. It's very compact compared to most fountain pens. So I need to clean it up a little bit and ink that one. I really liked this one. It's a Faber-Castell. It has water in it. It uses a plunger type system to get water in and out, but I thought this would be the perfect size brush pen since it's nice and skinny. My Pentels, I like those. I like the brush on them, but they are, what do you call it? They're chubby. They have like a really chubby, awkwardly shaped body. So I like how this one fits inside of the pen roll better. And then in here, these are my Daniel Smith. They were tube paints, and I had ended up putting them into pans. This is probably my favorite as far as color choices for botanicals and landscape and urban sketching. I can do everything with this particular palette because of the mixture of colors that I have in this one. And then I have this ruler. I'm probably going to be replacing this particular one in here with a ruler from Superior Labor really soon, but that'll probably be next month or so. So that is what I keep in this beautiful pen roll for right now. The other one has a beautiful little, the other style they have has a beautiful little like white patch down here and a stamp up there. That one I really love and have as well. So this one I kind of keep just for art supplies because of the white patch. I figured, well, you know, with this one it doesn't matter if there's paint or ink gets on this. I just felt like this one could handle it better. So that's why I've decided to make this one my art roll, whereas the other one is going to be like an everyday carry roll that actually goes in my purse. So before I wrap this one up, one more thing I want to add is my little paper towel. And so I think I'm just going to stick it in here as I roll things up.